we are going to have more jobs in Mbari Industrial Park. That small area is going to give us more jobs than all the primary school teachers in Uganda employed by the government. The water is coming from the hills here.
Bakusome Bukede yani emezi game Bulambuli.
It will serve 49 villages in Bukedeya.
Kaza kueleza zi village anamwende Bukedeya.
And 200 villages in Bulambuli.
Zi village bibili Bulambuli.
And 43 villages in Sironko. The scheme targets a population of 179,000 persons.